So good morning to all of you. Very loud, please. Good morning. I am belong to batch 3. My name is Sadiq Kujur, and my topic is motivation and its importance. Many people give many more definitions as you listen them, and just I am telling कि someone encouraged to do something to his goals, something do that. That is the motivation. By yourself, motivate yourself, or by someone you motivate them or something to that. That is a motivation. By means, as I understand, to encourage anyone. Here, 3 types of motivation. First is extrinsic. Hindi meaning is by. By. It means कि you are motivated by someone outer side. If anyone see anyone's actions or something, that is a motivation. That's called is extrinsic. You are seeing something. If like bodyguard, you are motivated him कि I also buy a bodyguard. That is extrinsic motivation. Second is intrinsic motivation. That is by yourself, inner. It's a inner motivation. Like you are thinking, I can do it. If I am trying to do, I can do it. In your inner side, your self-belief or something. That is an intrinsic motivation. Second is family. I think it's more important. Nowadays, we have low feeling, many competition, something. In teenage or young side, we have not a job, something. That's why we are demotivated sometimes. But nowadays, it is so very important for family. Motivating is very important. Like your father is telling, beta, you can do it. Your mother is telling, son, you will do it. And your sister is telling, I believe your brother, in your brother. You can do it. And your girlfriend or wife is saying, I am with you. It's a motivation thing. You are motivated by your family. It's a very important. It's a very important. I think in our time, we are not getting innovated by outer side or something. If your parents or your family with you, you are motivated higher. All time high, and your self-belief is up. If your family or your friends or something who are near you, if they are motivating, it's a very important and it's a fruitful. Some here is basic concepts of motivation. Like first is direction. If you want to go Patratu, that's a north side, na? If you don't know where direction is Patratu, you going south side, that's a charter road. Your direction is not clear, na? What is you want? Then your motivation is not a good way. Your direction is clear. You should be clear on your direction. Effort. Next is effort. Sometimes we are not doing enough effort. We are trying just, yes, I can do it. I will try something. But you have to effort your best way. In your अपनी सच्चाई के साथ या अपनी ईमानदारी के साथ पूरा एफर्ट करना चाहिए मोटिवेशन पाने के लिए. एंड नेक्स्ट इज परसिस्टेंस, अटलता. लाइक आई कैन डू इट, I have to do it. It's like something, it's a persistence. Atalta. Some here are characteristic of motivation. It's like first is fundamental needs. First needs is like a basic, na? Like foods, clothes and shelter. It's a basic needs. If you want something or something, first is you have to your tummy is full. You need to tummy is full. Then clothes. You have to. Anyone want na? I have a good clothes something. Then it's a basic and set shelter. If your someone is telling कि जाओ जंगल में जाओ और रहो, रह तो नहीं सकते ना आजकल के टाइम में, पहले रहता था लोग। ये बहुत बेसिक जरूरत है अभी के लिए। एंड सेकेंड इज, if your first fundamental needs is completed, then second is ego satisfaction. It's a higher, मतलब उसके आगे बढ़ने का, कि अगर फर्स्ट चीज कंप्लीट हो गया तो सेकंड क्या हो सकता है, कि हम कुछ नाम चाहते हैं, कुछ फेम चाहते हैं, उस चीज के बारे में ईगो सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है, कि इसके लिए हम मोटिवेट होते हैं कि हमको ये चीज करना चाहिए, ये करेंगे तो हमको ये मिलेगा। हाउ डू यू मोटिवेट पीपल? कैसे हम लोगों को मोटिवेट करें? सम इज हियर इज बेसिक पॉइंट्स हाउ वी मोटिवेट द पीपल। फर्स्ट थिंग, आस्क देम। इफ यू वांट टू मोटिवेट पीपल, फर्स्टली यू हैव टू नो हाउ he wants something, anything, like it's a first thing that to motivate people. Second is involve them. If you want, if you are doing something or your area something happens, then involve them. If he is motivated, if you involve them, he will, his confidence is built up. Then your motivation, trying to motivate him, it's a very good, it's working. Second is trust them. Sometimes we don't trust anyone कि क्या कर पाएगा या नहीं कर पाएगा, but you have to trust something little. You can do it, try it. Then if he is doing, then you have to trust them. Second is inspire them. You are giving some examples. If example is by your side, your some story is something, it's a very inspiring thing. You have to inspire them, or another many stories, many great people, something, anything story tell to inspire them. And second is appreciate them. If he do anything like something, if कोई बच्चा को जैसा बोलते हैं ना, जब बेटा पानी लेके आओ, उसने लाया और हमने बोला थैंक यू, उस बच्चा को इतना खुशी हो, या समथिंग कुछ चॉकलेट दे दिए उसको, तो इतना खुशी होता है उसको, तो उससे भी वो मोटिवेट होता है कि आगे भी कोई आएगा तो हम उसको हेल्प करेंगे, उसके लिए पानी ला के देंगे, उसको ग्रेटिट्यूड करेंगे। तो इसलिए ये जरूरी होता है कि अप्रिशिएट देम। एंड लास्ट सेकेंड इज रिवार्ड देम, कि अगर कोई कुछ करके देता है तो उसके लिए कुछ छोटा मोटा रिवार्ड दे दें, लाइक समथिंग we are here na, like we are compete or something competition we are involved, we are give some prizes like anything, that reward. And challenge them. Sometimes we have to challenge them, take a challenge and something do it, you have to do it and try to do it something to challenge them. If he challenge himself, then he motivated, yes, his self belief is up. Then last is celebrate them. This is a very important thing. We are like a birthday celebrant, something or anything. Na? It's a very important thing. If you win something, you got something, you have to celebrate it. You have to satisfy your happiness coming in yourself. You are not satisfied or something doing that. अरे हो गया बस। अगर छोटी छोटी खुशी में ढूंढते हैं तभी वो हम खुश होते हैं। हमसे बड़ा खुशी ढूंढेंगे तो हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा। ये बड़ा खुशी अपने आप नहीं आता है। अपने अंदर अगर तुम्हारे अंदर अपने आप को तुमने अगर छोटी छोटी खुशी में अपने आप को ढूंढा है तो वो जरूर आगे आपके लिए वर्क करेगा। Why its importance? Motivation. It's a very important. We are our goal, like we are here now. We are after this course, we are like doing that job or something. We have something to go. That's why we have to motivate by yourself. By someone or something, anything. That's why motivation is very important. It's a long talk. I'm telling many more like it.